Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how I'll look after my hair, reduce hair loss and improve the overall condition of my hair. Please note that in the next clip there is some footage that is slightly disturbing. You've been warned. Right, so the first thing that I do is I crack 2 eggs and then I get around 2-3 scoops of coconut oil. I put that in the microwave. Once it's done, I mix it together with the eggs. And do this around 3 seconds. And then I'm going to apply it evenly throughout my hair. Jeez, I look so scary with the black mask on. More scary than I do without makeup. Oh well. Oh well, oh well, oh well. So I'm going to apply it evenly throughout my hair. Massage it right into my scalp. Also to get the blood circulation flowing. So once I've covered it all over my hair, I'm going to tie my hair in a bun. Ooh. Just like that. Then I'm going to get clean film, wrap it around my hair. Oh my god, I look bloody hilarious right now. So you can get cling film, you can get aluminium foil, you can get paper bag, whatever you want, just cover it all up. That's what you should look like at the end. Right, so I'll leave that on my hair for around 2-3 hours. It does get really sticky and really smelly. My mum does start yelling at me for stinking up the whole house, but it's totally worth it for me. I try to do this around 2-3 times a month. Eggs do contain compounds that promote healthier, stronger hair. The mask also helps your hair to grow. With the unique combination of vitamins and minerals, it prevents some hair loss too. Finally, it just leaves your hair looking much more silkier, smoother and beautiful. So try it out guys. Thanks for watching.